Well, when a client first contacts us, we bring them in and we sit down with them with a legal assistant, maybe another attorney, and we ask them, tell us what happened. Tell us everything you can remember. Sometimes we even have them write it all out for it and give it to us again, because if they write it out and look at it later, they may think of something else. We also ask them who all their medical providers have been. Who have you seen, past and present, and things of that sort, because we're going to order all the medical records up. While we're waiting for the medical records to come in, which could be 60, 90 days, it's hard to tell how quick you can get them. We try to get them as fast as we can, but it's difficult. We go ahead and we interview all of these other people, and we ask them questions to find out everything they may know, that what happened, whether they be family members, things of that sort. And we also start looking at the medical research, the medical issues in the case. We have over 1,500 of the leading textbooks. We pull them off the shelf. We start looking things up. We have thousands of experts that are in our database. We start talking to the experts and saying, hey, what do you think? Based on what we know and what we've been told so far. Then when the medical records arrive, we feel like we've got a pretty good handle on it. We look at all the medical records. We put them in a chronological timeline. We take what's been told to us that's not in the medical records, and we try to create a timeline, a minute-to-minute, hour-to-hour, day-to-day timeline of what happened. So we really have a good picture of everything that went on, almost like a TV show. So we know what's there. Then we send those records out to expert witnesses, people we've retained that are highly qualified in the area of medicine that's involved. And we have those people look at the records, tell us when they're done, they call us up, and we get on the phone with them and we talk about the facts they don't know and what's in the medical records and what we've discovered in the medicine, and based on their education, their training, all the information we provided, they tell us whether or not there's a medical malpractice case, whether somebody did something wrong. And we then take that information, and then that triggers where we're going to go from there.